Well, hello there, and welcome to this video where we're going to have a quick look through Series 24 of the Lego Minifigure series. Here they all are, and we're going to quickly go through them and give my brief thoughts on what to feel for. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, here's the first minifigure. I believe this is the Robot Warrior. To feel for this one would probably be the 1x1 studs plates, which there are quite a few of, and possibly these roller skate like pieces that are used in the head of the gun, and probably the helmet as well. Next we have the T-Rex costume fan. Probably your best bet is to feel for the tail piece, which will have a flat 2x1 piece, then the tail coming out, or again the head piece. Next we have the Falconer. Probably your best bet is to feel for the hairpiece, which will be a mostly back open piece, or the lump of card that the cape will be in. This will feel like quite a large cardboard box, so quite easy to locate. Next we have the Potter. So probably the best bet is the headpiece, because that's quite a distinctive piece, or the cup or bowl pieces, or even any of these pieces that make up the Potter's wheel. So quite easy to feel for, I would say. Next we have the Orc. Probably your best bet is the sword or the shield, and probably again another cardboard box. Just be aware you could get that mixed up with the Falconer. So in this case, a shield would probably help you tell the difference. Next we have Brown Astronaut and Space Baby. Probably your best bet is to feel for any of the astronaut pieces, the helmet, the backpack, possibly the antennae of the walkie-talkie, and also the baby as well would probably be fairly distinct. Next we have the football referee, so probably your best bet is going to be feeling for the football itself, as this will be quite a large piece, similar to the piece that was in the Star Wars Advent calendar this year. Next we have the Conservationist with his little koala. Probably best to try and feel for the koala, but you could get this mixed up with the baby from the Spaceman. So you could go for the carrot top. His hat piece also seems fairly distinct from a brief look. Next we have the Rocking Horse Rider. Probably best to feel for the mini legs or the rocking horse itself, which are both fairly distinct, I would say, and probably the hairpiece as well. This one also shouldn't have many parts, but the rocking horse itself could be fairly bulky. Next we have the newspaper kid. So a few things to feel for: the mini legs again, but be careful mixing up with the horse rider, a 2x2 plate for the newspaper, and the satchel that he wears to carry his newspapers in, which is obviously the Indiana Jones satchel from long ago. Next we have the Rococo Aristocrat, which looks very similar to Marie Antoinette if you ask me. Best bet is this very bulky dress piece, which by the looks of it is probably at least at the base a 2x6 in size, I would guess. But yeah, that is the piece to feel for her. And finally we have the Carrot mascot, which obviously best to feel for the carrot suit itself. Possibly the 2x2 plate, but this will be much thinner and have a knob on the back rather than being completely flat like the 2x2 in the newspaper kit. But yeah, again, best bet carrot suit itself, maybe the stick that the sign goes on to. So yeah, that was all 12 of the minifigures in Series 24 of the Lego minifigures. These are coming out on January the 1st and will be sold for £3.49 in the UK, specifically from Lego.com. Prices might vary in actual shops, but I think that is now the price they are up to. So, thanks so much for watching, and I shall see you when I see you. Goodbye.